Look, people.
No, wait, just leave her alone. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Get it, Jasmine. Get it. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Tyler, stop moving. Let her do it to Kristen. No, just let her do it. Just stop. Don't touch it.
Give me the blanket.
No, just don't. It hurts.
It hurts. Her legs are scratched.
I'm just beginning to... I'm just beginning to...
She's getting it.
Floppy's beginning to be the dog. Why is she humping it though? There's nothing going to stop her.
I know, but she just likes the way it feels on her vagina. Tyler, you farted on her while she's humping you?
Why is she humping?
She's like, it's not the same with the blanket. Take it off. Tyler, take it off.
She wraps around it like... Go ahead, Jasmine.
She's video on it. Don't put anything.
Jasmine.
She needs a little strap on for Tyler. Tyler's like, I'll have this. I bet the Tyler's probably fit in there.
Hey. Hey.
You gonna do Jazzy later?
Look.
Go, Jazzy, go. I ain't done yet. Come in here. Please, nigga.
I'm trying to put this on Facebook. Stop. Every time that I record something, he cuss at me.
Go, Jazzy. Go.
Get in there. No.
Alright, that was bad for you, man.
What?
Dude, it's been like 2 minutes. She's out of breath.
I know, she goes so fast, she'll be out of breath, and she'll be like sweating for a second, she'll be like, oh.